Maybe I gave it up too easy. I barely made you work. Maybe I love too hard. I always end up hurt. It's too far down on my elbow. I'm wearing my heart on my sleeve. Exposed so I bleed. When we started, I never knew we would end like this. If I did, I never would've let you hit. Last time was the last time you'll ever get to crack. You'll never break my back. I'm not going back to that. You made me a fool, so my heart no longer beats for you. This time I'm through. I'm done trying to please you. I can't blame you cause I loved it too. Caught up in my feelings. You were really my muse. Actually, you still are. Cause I wrote this song after you left me alone. Now I can't leave this bed. I'm sick and torn up in the head. Wish I had whiskey instead of this pen up in my hand. But this is all she read. The last time was the last time. I'm more than a penny, more than a dime. This last time was the last time. Jesus died for me to be free. I'ma be all I can be. This time was the last time. It's about time. This is prime time. This is game time. This is slang time. I don't save time. I don't save time. Rearrange time. Make it bend in my hands. I do my little dance. I spin it in advance. Jesus got my stance. Standing tall and then I ball it. Turn around, I'm shot calling. Flowing on the beat like. Moving indiscreet like. Put it all up in their face with it. You can never play with it. Lana gonna skate with it. You never ever ever hit it.